Go to the Cherry Festival.
The Sefrou Cherry Festival, known locally as Moussam Hab al-Mlouk, is one of Morocco's oldest and most celebrated cultural events. Held annually in mid-June in the city of Sefrou, located near Fez, the festival marks the cherry harvest and serves as a vibrant showcase of the region's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage.
Alright, off we go to the Cherry Festival. I've got some cherry earrings on. I told her I was coming to a cherry festival and she gave me these earrings and I promised I'd wear them the whole time I'm in Sefrou. So here I am, Sarah.
The festival's origins trace back to the French colonial era. It has since evolved into a significant event, earning recognition from UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage in 2012. I took a trip down history lane by also visiting my ancestors' home, which is right inside the old Medina, where the festivities were underway.
Just took a taxi leaving Sefrou, main town, to go up to see the Berber festivities. So I have no idea what to expect. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just following my trusted guide. He's been amazing. Told him I wanted to see the Berber traditional dances and off we go.
The festival lasts for 3 days, filled with various activities that highlight the intersection of nature and culture in Sefrou. Since this town is a blend of amazigh, Jewish and Muslim culture, the events are inclusive of Berber festivities. With my guide, we managed to get backstage to talk to the amazing performers and request a contact for a dance video. This was really special as we got to see them up close and interact with them, later exchanging contacts to perform together.
$5 راس لي غارانتي عامين شي 10 دراهم ورميطه ديال اللي درجل 5 دراهم زرتله ديال الدبل 5 دراهم.
Back in the main town, I followed my guide in a huge swarm of people who had all geared up for the concert a few hours prior.
لا السفارة يلا 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 صورة جميلة منكم طيب حال السهل وكل خير وكنعيشوا معكم دائما.
We eventually found a corner with a vibe, people who were dancing, so I managed to join in, of course. The next day was the final day, and the time I actually got to taste these famous cherries for the first time.
هادو Yay, he's finally gonna taste the cherry. تدوق شكرا Cheers, my first Sefrou cherry. بحال الفانيل ياك بحال الفانيل شويه That's amazing. That's like candy, I was saying. Because it's sweet, but it's got a bit of sour. It's amazing.
قالك هذا إذا صفرتي به يكون هكا اللي بحال هكا بحال اللي كيطيب كيحمر وكل
These are probably the best cherries I've ever had in my life. Amazing. Wow. So there's two kinds. These are the cherries that are good if you have diabetes or high blood sugar. They're really good to lower it. I just had one, it's really nice. And these are slightly more expensive, and they're the ones I just tasted as well. And yeah, I'm gonna get some because oh my god, they were so nice.
These cherries can be found everywhere around town, where I continued my way. This time, I was in search for a hat for my next video, before heading to the big parade that concludes the festivities. As I searched for a taxi home to Fez, the festivities continued well into the night, transforming into a night market and concert. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Sefrou as much as I did.